Hi everyone, I'm Scott from Ideal Heating. This video is to show you how to install and pair the Link Cellular remote monitoring solution. Installation and pairing can be completed in approximately 5 minutes with no electrician required. Start by isolating the boiler. Once the boiler is isolated and your safety checks have been done, you can then remove the base plate. With the base plate removed, you can now begin installing the Link Cellular module. Remove the link plug and plug in the Link Cellular module. Next, power up the boiler and begin the pairing sequence. In the Link Pro app, select Connect a device. Ensure the Bluetooth LED is flashing blue to indicate Bluetooth pairing mode. If the LED is not flashing, press and hold the pair button for 5 seconds. Now select Done. Select if the property is privately owned. Today we are installing the device into a tenanted property, so we select No. The device app will now search for the Link Cellular device via Bluetooth. Select the device in the Bluetooth list and press Connect. The device will automatically configure the cellular connection. The device will display the boiler model and serial number. Select Continue to confirm registration to this boiler. Now select the partner the device is being installed for. This is normally the housing provider. Enter the boiler and property information. There is an option to make the property a priority property and to add any property codes or notes for reference. Once complete, select Confirm. The app will show you a summary of the information entered. If you're happy with the details, click Submit. The Link Cellular device is now fully registered. The Bluetooth LED will remain on the device until the Bluetooth connection to the smart device is disconnected.